Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Patrice, if you may not know me already. Today I want to start out with an everyday makeup look. Clean my face with some micellar water. I had to wash my face before, so make sure to keep a clean face. What I'm going to do is grab a little of my moisturizing lotion from Cetaphil, move it all around my face. Primer is one from Smashbox. It's a photo finish foundation primer. This is kind of like the Benefit one, the poreless primer. I'm gonna put it on all my T-zone that mainly gets oily all the time since I have oily skin. Now I'm gonna start putting on my foundation. I started to use the Makeupforever, the Ultra HD foundation. I really like the formula, it's very nice. I'm gonna first apply it with my Morphe M439 brush, and then after I'm gonna blend it out with the Beauty Blender. I forgot to spray my face with my Marbodescu Rose Water Spray. And then also my MAC Fix It Plus. This is a coconut one. Okay, just let it dry for a second. I forgot to put on that before my foundation. I need a bit of a fan brush. Just literally lay on my foundation on my face. I'm currently working for Bath & Body Works as a seasonal job. It's going pretty well. I really like working for them so far. I would definitely want to stay if I have the opportunity to. I actually really like the products. I've been wanting to work for Bath & Body for such a long time. I'm also in school right now as well, so I'm trying to balance that. This is technically my first job, so I'm gonna see how this goes and if it gets easier or not. So, school's first. This actually is medium to full coverage. You can actually build up on it. Now, this to blend out creases that I have, if I have any. Now I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape, color light beige 22B. I'm gonna highlight my areas under my eye, on my forehead a little bit, on my nose here. I'm also gonna conceal a little bit my pimples. I'm also gonna use my Beauty Blender to blend this out. It's actually pretty good coverage. It doesn't feel too heavy. It's easy to blend out as well. I like the consistency. It doesn't get too drying either. Start with my eyebrow. I'm gonna use the Ulta dark brown eyebrow pencil. I like to have it very light. I don't like to do it too hard. Now I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape again to conceal my brows. Today we're at 3 to 6. It's already 12:40. Powder. I use my Smashbox, but it broke the lid. What is it? Light Neutral Halo Hydrating. And make sure to go under the neck a little bit too, just to get your color on there. Just in case if your color changed a little bit. Now I'm going to be using my Hulu Benefit bronzer. This is my favorite part, but also I love bronzing my face. I'm going to use a Morphe B6 brush. Now I'm going to start putting on my eyelashes. I'm going to use the Vegas Nail lashes in the style Bronze Beauty, I believe it was. But this is probably going to be my last wear because I've used it too many times already. I already had applied some eyelash glue. I use a duo dark tone one because I don't like to use the clear ones because it leaves like a film over it, and like you can kind of tell that glue is over it. But even when you use for a while already, you have to cover it with eyeliner, but I'm probably lazy today, so I won't cover it, which I need to do, but I won't. I like to apply with my hands. For acrylics, I can never put them on, so I just like to use my hands. Okay. I probably should have dusted off my baking under my eyes because it's gonna leave it dirty, but I'm probably gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do this one already right now too. I'm clean off my forehead one. I don't want too much of the product on here. Fix my eye. Pretty. Oh, this has a ton of powder. I'm basically done, but what I wanted to do was a little bit of mascara also on my lashes. Again, I'm probably gonna throw these away because they're already done. Just wanted to put a little bit of mascara just to blend them together. So basically, I'm gonna get my blush from Tarte. I like using Tarte. I love their blushes, called Paaarty. Yeah. I'm gonna use the Ulta blush brush. It's just for a light wash. Now I'm just gonna spritz on some, again, the Fix It Plus. I like using the Becca highlighter Campaign Pop. I didn't want to invest in the bigger one because I don't know if I was gonna like it or not. Use my MAC 497 brush. I know how James Charles, he says he likes to use a thinner looking brush, but I don't know. I want to try it, but I just haven't gotten my hands on it. Again, I can probably use like maybe an eyeshadow brush, but it's just better to use and buy another of those brushes for highlights. I also want to use one of the Kylie brushes, but I think it's probably like a precision brush for your eyes. I want to like inner corner highlight my eyes. I want to also do my nose, bring it up the bridge. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh. This is basically my finished look. I do like to grab also some gloss. Probably gonna use, I like really using this Mary Kay one. It's a really pretty gloss. Nourish lip gloss, Pink Diamonds it's called. I'd probably put a lipstick on and then put this over, but I just want to show you like how pretty it is. It's very like glossy and shiny. This is like one of my everyday natural makeup looks. Like I know besides the lashes, like I wouldn't do the lashes, but I just really like doing this like natural, like just very glowy type of look, you know? So please subscribe and comment down below if you suggest any other makeup brushes to use or any other products that I didn't use. Let me know what you think. And again, I'm new to this channel. I'm new in YouTube. So yeah, like please just let me know. And thank you for watching. This is my finished makeup look, so I hope you guys like it. I'm also going to work today, so wish me luck on that as well. And yeah, enjoy!